Exactly, I don't remember the date. I saw the Mali was walking at the nursery that I often visit. There was a money plant at the entrance in a pot for display only, not for sale. I looked at the plant and smiled, and silently I said, "My plants are looking better." After 15 to 20 days, when I visited the nursery again, I was shocked. The same plant was looking different, completely different. The plant was looking fuller from every side with big, gloomy leaves. I went to the Mali. I asked, "Kya fertilizer dala? What fertilizer did you add?" The Mali said, "We don't get that much time to take care of each plant, and I have not added any fertilizer." Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss without adding any fertilizer how to make your money plant 10 times bushier naturally. Stay there till the end then. Pothos or money plant is the most easiest to grow among other indoor plants. Anyone shouldn't be an expert to grow a bushier money plant. A few things need to follow and you will easily make your plant look fuller. Look at this basket. You can notice this part is full with leaves. Here you may notice the stems only. Again, here you see a lot of branches and are looking full. Let's see why it is so. A few days back, this was growing as a single branch, so I cut the branch exactly here. As a result, 2-3 new branches started growing. Similarly, I did the same thing with other branches. I used this basket of pothos to cover this wall. These trailing branches are giving a nice and different look to this white wall. But if you want to make it look dense without having trailing branches, then cut the tips of every newly grown branch near the rim of your basket. This will stop the branch to grow long and it will produce number of side growth. If we will cut here, leaving one node only, one new branch will grow from that node. So leave 3 or 4 nodes below and place a cut. You will get a chance to have more branches. When these branches will grow up to 10 to 12 inches, prune them back. By regularly doing that, your basket will become full and look dense in less time. These branches are going to touch the ground soon, so I am going to give a haircut to my plants today. Shortly, a lot of new branches will grow. I'll update once they grow. Now let's see what are the other important things to follow. Money plant loves moist soil and humidity. It grows very fast when you keep its soil moist, but avoid making the soil damp with excess addition of water. Let the soil dry out before the next watering. Naturally, you cannot provide humidity to this plant. That is only possible in the rainy season, but in rest of the season you can artificially create humid environment. Spray water on the leaves of this plant. If you are growing like a tower, then spray water on the supporting stick too. Money plant grows with aerial roots and these roots sips water from the stick. Also, the stick will maintain the humidity level around the branches of your plant. Regular fertilizer is not essential for this plant. Yes, it supplements fast growth. So when you get time, you can give any fertilizer once in 6 months. You can give any fertilizer that you have. It may be dry compost, any homemade liquid manure or seaweed solution. As you are not adding fertilizer regularly yet want it looks fuller and dense, prune and supplement it with water and humidity regularly. A brightly lit spot adds advantage and promotes growth naturally. This side of this tower is looking dense than this side. It is because the side is getting more lights compared to this side. So keep it near a windowsill or a place where your plant will get bright light from all the sides. This is the secret that I come to know from the Mali that day. Don't worry if you have no time to care for this plant. You don't have to add fertilizer regularly. Only you have to follow the things that I have discussed now. Prune the branches, water to keep the soil moist but not damp, mist or spray water on it to give humidity. Follow these simple rules. Shortly your money plant will grow wild and become bushy. I hope you found this video helpful. Please hit the like and share button if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to see more videos like this and hit the bell icon to get notified about the new videos. Thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.